Good day, guys. My name is Choco Money. Today I'll be making a simple Ankara gown. And here is my fabric, my ruler, and then my color's chalk. I already cut out the quality of fabrics I'll be using for the front, for the center front. I did my hip biggest width measurement divided by 2, divided by 4 plus 2 inches. The 2 inches is for sewing allowance and ease. So let's begin. My shoulder is, I've already removed 1 inch. My shoulder is 7.25 and I mark it. Then I come down 1 inch for my shoulder slope. Then I mark my neck. The standard neck width is 3 by 3, which is 3. Then I connect. From there I take my armhole. My bust is 9. I don't actually want my distance. My waist is 16. But I'll be making it, yes, 16, which is here. That's my waist. My hip is 23. Then the length of my gown is 29. From the 29, that's where the ruffles will start. So here is it. Nine inches for my bust point, 16 for my waist, 23 for my hip, and 29 for my gown length. And I connect. Sorry about that. This line here is my armhole. So my bust is 22. 32 divided by 2 is 8. Here is my 8. I'll be making it 9 because it's a free gown. My waist is 28. 28 divided by 4 is 7. I'll be making it 8. Then my hip is 39, 38. Sorry, 36. 36 divided by 4 is 9. I'll be making it 10. Then the down part of it, I'll be making it 10 as well. So I collect my line. From here, I curve it with my hand because I don't want it to have a sharp edge. Remember, this thing is a simple guide, it won't have that. So from here, I measure this length. This is 7. 7, you divide it by 2. Because this my gown will be having a sleeve. 3.5. That means 3.5. Well, my madam taught me from there you come down by 1 inch. What I was taught. Then from here you come in by half inch. But because this thing is, I'm doing it with, it's a free hand, I won't be coming down by half inch. I'll be coming in by half inch. I'll be coming in by 2.5, which is here. Then from here, I will take my bust, which is 8. From here, I'll slant my armhole like this. So this my gown is a canoe neck. I already take out my 3, which is here. Yeah, 3. The depth supposed to be, I'll be making the depth 3 as well before I start working on the canoe neck or both neck. So from here, I will measure what I have here as my armhole. My shoulder, I actually have 4.25. That 4.25, I'll divide it by 2. I have 2.1. Then from here, I'll take it from here. 2.2. Or you can actually do it 2. I forget about the 2. The 2. Yeah, I'm doing it 2. Then from there, I'll connect it back to my 3. The 3 I already have. Well, I can't connect it with my ruler. So I'll be doing that freehand. Oh, I hope you guys are seeing it too. So from there, I'll connect it like this. So here is it. And here, I'll be adding my half inch. My shoulder sewing allowance. That's it, guys. We are done. We are done, 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 done. So here is it. Then here, I'll be adding my sewing allowances. 5 forgot. I'll be adding 1.5. Remember, I said that this gown will be having a ruffles. The actual length is 35. So was I did the main gown as 29. So the remaining 6 inches, I think 6 inches. Yeah, the remaining 6 inches will be for ruffles. And here, down part of the gown, I'll be adding half inch for joining up the ruffles. Well, not it's a ruffle, but it's actually a gather. So for those of you that is confused what ruffle is all about, it's actually a gather. I'll be gathering. So, ta-da! We are done, done, done. Okay, let me cut it out. Here, I'll start from my neck. And that's it for the front. See? See how the canoe neck come out? It's actually looking like a round neck. But see it here. So guys, I'll be cutting the back. So guys, the only difference between the back and the front is actually the neck. I don't want the neck to be low. So I already mark out the neck, which is here. I already marked it out. I don't know if you guys are seeing it. So this is it. So from here, I'll be making the neck 1.5 instead of 3 as I made the front. So this is it here. But the neck width will remain. Yeah, the neck width still stands. So from there, from this neck width, I'll be connecting it. So guys, that's it. I'll now hold this, cut it out. Hey, one more thing. The armhole, you know that the back armhole is supposed to be as deep as the front armhole. So I'll be adding a little bit of something when I get to the armhole. So I'm in the armhole area. So guys, this is it. Ta-da! This is the front and the back. So now we're cutting the ruffles. 35 minus 29 is actually 6 inches, but I'll be doing 7 for the gathers. I don't know if this is actually 7. Whoa, it's more than 7.